Sawadika. I'm Ramida. I'm crazy for beautiful and strong cars. I don't know much about technology, but this car, Fortuner 2009, standard engine, standard horsepower 163, and after I put tuning box from Booster S inside, now change have more power, 220 horsepower, and save gas line too. Before I show you, first we have to switch off our engine and close all the door and unlock the hood. I will show you now. But sorry, because I have short leg, I need the chair or help me. First we have to find a common rail pipe and where have nut, big nut here, and then take it out. Not easy for me too. Okay. Then we save here. Then we use cable from Booster S. Okay, then if you hear click, it means it's okay now. And then this part have male and female. This male, this female. Okay. Don't forget you have to hear click all the time. And now we go check have light or not. Okay. Now follow me. I show you this on. Switch on. Now it's on. We have light. Wait a short time. I forget. If have light before mean everything is okay. It's okay for cable. And now take it out and then put tuning box from Booster S inside. Then lock this one. Then lock here. You can put it one or two. I will show you how have much power and have fun. Oh, don't forget, everyone can buy around the world. Thailand, England, Germany, or America, or Vietnam, or Singapore, Malaysia. You can find us www booster-s www.com. You will have fun too. See you website. Bye bye.